Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, easy to convert raw partition to NTFS without losing any data. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Removable drive is raw. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk /f space, drive letter colon, in my case drive letter is E. Open Disk Management, click Action, click Refresh. If not opening, access denied error, right-click Properties, click Security tab. Click Advanced, add everyone. Replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Click Edit, add everyone, give full rights to everyone, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.